Hey, what's going on guys? So in today's video, I will show you what you can do if your Wi-Fi adapter is not showing or it is missing in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So first, go to your search bar and type CMD, and here you can click on Run as Administrator. Alright, so here in your command prompt you can type ipconfig space /flush DNS and press enter. Next, type ipconfig space /renew. Alright, so after that you can type netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. Alright, so after this one you can type exit and press enter, and then you can restart your computer and you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video guys. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.